Hello guys, in this video we are going to review Waze. We will see all the features it provides and then drive for some time using Waze. So let's begin. On the home page, when you open Waze, it shows you how many people are using Waze near you. A driver using Waze is called Wazer. You can change the display settings including mode, color, reports, etc. by tapping on display options. Other settings can be found in the settings menu. For all the settings and profile, we touch on search bar. On the left panel, we can see our history as well as favorites. Tap on your profile for profile information. On the top, below your name, there is a text for points. We will get there later. Down below we have inbox, friends list from Facebook, account and login information, mood menu where you can select different avatars, stores, your scoreboard, themes and settings options. In the settings menu, the first option is for general settings, where we can change the language, unit and personalize ads etc. The second option is for map display, where we can change the mode, type, zoom, color options, car icon and some other settings to customize. The third option is for voice and sound, where we can change the navigation voice, change volume, record custom voice and all other voice options. The fourth one is battery saver, which helps when the battery is low. The fifth option is for navigation, in which we can allow or avoid roads like unstable and which contains toll, and also select a vehicle type. You can also add and remove reports options from display in the alerts and reports menu. The next option is for gas stations, in which you can select fuel type and preferred fuel stations. The next on the list is speedometer settings. The following menu is audio player. If any of the listed apps are installed, you will see an option to play music instantly. The disappointing thing is I could not find Google Play Music. In the notification panel, we can change notification settings, plan drives and set reminders. The audio options can be accessed on the map. You can set the audio to on, off, or if you want just the alerts, then tap on alerts only. Waze comes with 3 types to choose for your vehicle: private car, taxi and cycle. Anyway, let's move to our car and see how Waze works. On the road, Waze comes with lots of functionalities. You can send ETA, share drive, etc. in the bottom panel. On the bottom right, we have the option to report anything. On the left bottom, we have the speedometer, which shows the vehicle's current speed. If there is a speed trap, it highlights the map and informs the driver. If the vehicle exceeds the speed, then it notifies the user. Below the car, it shows the name of the road. Below that, we have the trips information. On the top, it shows when's the next move. One down point of Waze is it doesn't like us to U-turn. It will recommend driving for 300 meters and then come from a different street but U-turn. Let's see what Waze offers in terms of reporting. Waze is a community-based navigation app where users can report things like speed cameras, crash, hazard, police, missing road, traffic, gas prices, roadside help, places, road closure, etc. Some of the report types do not affect immediately but after enough reports. The scoreboard system is based on our reporting routine. Anyway, I hope the video Waze review helped. Like the video if it helped and subscribe to my channel for Android, iOS and PC.